There is stern section of the horn timber. Right there. Another pin was holding it. See how I was sliding it out? You're gonna do that the same way in reverse to put the new horn timber in. And slide it right back in place. Ah, that's the stinkiest wood. Anybody who don't know what cypress smells like, this cypress, you ever work with model rockets, when you cut through it, it smells just like that, nothing but sulfur and stink. They've been sitting in them cypress ponds there, mill ponds all them years. And everybody asking questions how it's done. You're getting ready to see a horn timber replaced, amongst the bottom planking and bottom planking repair. There, I finally got some video for you of doing some work. Alright, now it just tells you how the horn timber is put together. Still missing about 6 inches of scarf, but don't worry about that. Because of the taper. See, this taper here is this where the keel comes in. That there is it. The piece right there in front of the propeller. With the steady bearing bolts to. That comes back to your rudder post, which is right here. And that goes down to your skeg, which goes up to your keel. Keel goes in there. Steady bearing, propeller, shaft alley. We'll take that, 920 it, and bolt it through. 6 juniper boards sitting right there. Getting ready to go on the Mississippi. Bottom planks to replace. How nice that looks right there. Ain't done, but it's getting there. That's gonna be completely planked right over the back. Ain't gonna see none of that. Cabin sealed, sanded. Boy, sure look nice. Well, I reckon that might be it for this video. You'll see part 2 to the horn timber repairment on the next one. Thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all.